Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the second and final topic of the civics chapter, Democracy in India. So our topic today is candidate, political parties and its functions, coalition government. So first we will discuss about candidate and what are the things related to the candidate. Second, we will discuss about political parties, what are political parties, what are its functions, and next we will discuss coalition government. What is coalition government? That is our final point of the topic. So let us start. Now, democracy in India, topic 2, candidate, political parties, its functions, coalition government. Candidate, a person who gets his name registered to contest in elections is called a candidate. That means any person who wishes to participate in the elections, to run or be a part of the government is called a candidate. Now, registered. Registered, this word may be new to you. This means to be enrolled. Second thing is that, which is related with candidate, to be a candidate, she has to fulfill the conditions laid down by the constitution to be eligible to contest. That means he or she, anybody who is willing to be a candidate, should fulfill all the conditions which are mentioned in the constitution to be eligible to contest. Eligible means to be fit to contest. He or she is allotted an election symbol. Any candidate who is contesting for the elections is allotted with an election symbol. Allotted means given. If she is contesting with support of a political party, she gets the symbol of the political party itself. Now, one thing is there. So, if she is contesting with the support of a political party, she gets the symbol of the political party itself. This means if the candidate is taking the support of any political party, either national or state level, the symbol which the political party is using will be allotted to this candidate also. So, we have understood about the candidate. Now, we are moving to our next point, political parties. Political parties are a group of people who agree on some policies, formulate an agenda and program for the society with a view to promote collective good. Political parties are a group of people who come together, who have common viewpoints, and they settle down on policies, formulate agenda and program for collective good of the society. Now, here formulate means make, they make. Collective means a common good, which is good for all. Now, functions of political parties I have divided into 5 points for your convenience, students. Please go through it properly. Point number 1, put up selected candidates to contest for elections. Point number 2, to offer manifesto to people. So, first candidate selection should be done by political parties, their own candidates. Then they have to fix a manifesto. Manifesto means the plan, the policies, whatever they are going to do if the political party is coming into power. Third point is to organize rallies and campaigns spreading their agenda. The political parties organize rallies, they go door to door to campaign about their manifesto so that their agenda is spread and they receive votes during elections. Fourth point, the majority party forms and runs the government. Now, after elections, the party which gets the maximum number of votes is called majority. So, if the political party comes to be a majority, then they have to form policies which will run the government, and they form the government also. And the last point is that the party which is not getting majority is minority. It has to play the role of opposition. Coalition government. What is coalition government? If situation arises that no political party gets enough members to form the government, then a few political parties join together to form the government. Now see, what is coalition government? if all the parties are not getting proper majority, if from all the parties, if they are not getting proper majority, then some of the political parties join up together to form coalition of government. This formation of government, that is coalition government, is weaker as because it does not enjoy a majority and its policies and decisions are dependent on the consensus and support of the parties in the